Hello, beautiful souls. Today I'm thrilled to share with you a journey that might just change the way you see the world. It's a story of hope, determination, and the incredible power of manifestation. Imagine for a moment being able to turn your deepest desires into your reality. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you it's possible and I have living proof? Meet Emily. Just a year ago, Emily was where many of us have been, at a crossroads, with dreams that felt out of reach. But Emily made a choice. She chose to believe in the power of her intentions, to visualize her success, and to act as if her dreams were already unfolding. And the universe listened. Today, Emily is living her dream life, and it all started with the simple act of manifestation. Manifestation isn't just wishful thinking, it's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your goals. It's about creating a vision so vivid, the universe can't help but bring it to life. Are you ready to embark on this journey? To transform your life just like Emily did? Dive deep into the art of manifestation with us. Discover the secrets, the stories, and the strategies that can unlock your potential. The first step? It's simple. Click the link in the description below to access a treasure trove of resources that will guide you on your path to success. Don't just dream about the life you want, make it your reality. Remember, the universe is ready to conspire in your favor. All you need to do is ask. Until next time, keep manifesting and keep shining your light. Namaste.